Hello everyone, hope everybody's having a nice evening. Welcome to my channel, Leverage Capital. Today I want to do an unenveloping slash unboxing of my new credit card. I applied for it yesterday. It was overnighted to me today, and let's get into it. As you can see, it's American Express. Amex. And this is the Amazon Business Prime card from American Express. This card is a very good card. It's a business card. Got some weight to it. It's a metal card. As you can hear, metal card. That's how it looks. Get a close up. See, you got the metal. So yeah, this card is a very good card if you shop on Amazon and you're a Prime member. That's the reason why I got it, because I'm a Prime member. I've been a Prime member for years now, so I figured, man, it's best to just go ahead and get the Amazon Business Prime card and get that 5% back. So we're about to get into it. What this card offers. Let me pull up my phone. Okay, so Amazon Business Prime card. Alright, so off back, for the welcome offer for this card, you get a $125 gift card. That's off back. As soon as you approve for this card, you automatically get that, and you automatically get that deposited into your Amazon Business Prime or your Amazon Business account. $125 gift card, Amazon.com gift card. That's just amongst approval, so you don't have to hit no minimum spend to get this gift card. You get it automatically once you're approved for the card. And what this card offers, it offers 5% back not 5% back or 90-day terms on U.S. purchases at Amazon Business, Amazon Web Services, Amazon.com, or Whole Food Market. You earn 5% back on your first $120,000 in purchases each calendar year with eligible Prime membership. Then 1% back out thereafter. So if you spend $120,000 on Amazon.com, you'll get 5% up to that. Anything thereafter that is 1%. So pretty much this card is unlimited for me, because I do not spend no $120,000 on Amazon. So this is an unlimited 5% cashback card for me for Amazon. So that's the reason why I got it. It also offers 2% back on US purchases at restaurants, gas stations, and wireless phone services purchased directly from service provider. Also 1% back on all other eligible purchases. So pretty much, I'm not really gonna be using this card for all that. I'm only gonna be really using this card for just the 5% back on Amazon.com. It's good to have, for the gas and restaurants, but I got other cards that give me a higher multiplier or a higher cashback percentage in those categories. So I really don't see no point of really using this card for that. But that 5% back though on Amazon.com, it's the shit. Hold on. So it's the shit. So that's what I'm using this for. But also, like I said, you gotta have it's a no annual fee card. But you do have to have the Amazon Prime subscription, which is $120 yearly, or you can pay monthly, which is $12.99. So, you gotta have that card you gotta have that subscription to have this Prime card, But they also offer a non-Prime version, which is, not a metal card, it's a plastic card, but it also gives you pretty much the same terms and same features of the card of this card, but except instead of 5% back on Amazon.com and Whole Foods, you get 3% back, and then you get 60-day terms, which means you just get 60 days to you can make a purchase. You can make a purchase, and you get 60 days to pay it off. So they also got that version, but I recommend the Prime version because not only the Prime the features that the Prime subscription offers with the 2-day shipping and all that, so I recommend the Prime version. But the non-Prime version is also not bad either. But I recommend one of these. You know what I'm saying? One of them, you at least have one of them. But also they also offer a personal, like I said, this is a business credit card. So, but they also offer a personal version. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's issued through Chase. And so that's a good version too. But it doesn't offer the gift card. So I mean, I think that will make these cards as though the gift card you automatically get once you approve. So I don't think the personal version offers that through Chase. So, but you can check. But that's the reason why I got this card, is because pretty much the 5% back. It feels good in the hand. I like the way it looks. I also want to compare it to my gold card. My gold card right here. It's a metal card. So my gold card feels heavier, but not by that much. It feels a little bit heavier, but it's not crazy heavier than this card. So and that's the reason, like I said, that's the reason why I wouldn't really be using this for no restaurants or anything like that, because I get 4%. I get actually 4 points back on restaurants here worldwide. So this is my restaurant card and also my grocery card. So yeah, but I just wanted to compare the two as far as weight, the way it feels. They both feel premium. This is my favorite card though, the gold card. Love this card. $250 annual fee. I got an unboxing of this card on my channel. I go into the perks of the card and what it offers. So please check that video out. American Express Gold Card, baby. So yeah, this Amazon Prime business card is a must-have, man. I think in one of my other videos I went into the reason why business credit cards are so good. So I think I did a review on my Navy Federal business credit card. Actually, I got right here that I was gonna get, which I had got, and I didn't do an unboxing on my channel about it, but it's right here. I did a review on it on my channel, so check that out. But I already went into in that video about why business credit cards are better, and and why you should have a business credit card. It's more easier to leverage. It doesn't report to personal credit. So, and that's good. When you got a business credit cards that don't report to your personal credit, you can always have your personal credit pristine, looking good, and when you got all your business cards, you can max out, and nobody would never know. As long as you just keep making the minimum payments, or more than the minimum payments, preferably, but at least the minimum payments on your business credit cards, they would never be in default, and they would never report to your personal credit. So that's the reason why business credit cards are better than personal credit cards. You can leverage them better, So that's the reason why I recommend business credit cards. But yeah, this is this has been an unenveloping / unboxing of the Amazon Prime Business Credit Card by American Express. It's a very good card. I recommend if you have Amazon Prime, you should have this card. If you don't, you should have the non-Prime version. And if you don't have a business, you should have the personal version. Through Chase, which is a Visa signature card. So, but yeah, this is it. It feels good. Just wanted to make this a quick unboxing, and just to show y'all my new latest card. So that's it. Please like and subscribe to this video, and hope everybody's having a great evening. So thank you. Peace.